Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer. In today's GSA SER video, what I'd like to share with you is exactly how you can create .gov or .edu backlinks utilizing GSA Search Engine Ranker. Now, this video comes about after a question from Yash, and Yash asks, Chris, how to make .gov and .edu do follow backlinks using GSA? Now, this is a great question, and if you want the full step-by-step walkthrough of how to set up GSA, how to use GSA proxies, and how to go ahead and have this particular video just like this all laid out for you, you can take a visit at www.seomastermind.org. But let me go ahead and show you how to do this, Yash, because it's relatively simple. So what you will need, of course, is GSA. Now, this is the GSA UI, or the user interface. Once you're inside of GSA, the very first thing that you will need to do is you will need to click on New. Now, once you click on New and you fill out all of the details, all right, meaning, are you doing articles and blog comments and directories? Once you're inside of here and you're filling out all of these details and you fill out the URL and you fill out all of the relevant details, what you want to do once you fill out everything is you want to click on the Options tab inside of your project data. All right, so you'll click New, you'll fill out all the relevant details, you're going to click on Options. Once inside of Options and you fill out these other details, and I've covered this extensively in other videos and it's also in the training, but just for the .gov and just for the .edu, what you're looking for is you're going to scroll down here. And what you're looking for is filter URLs, okay? So I believe it's the fourth column down. Let me see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the fourth column down, and it says filter URLs under the Options tab inside of your project data, all right? Now, what we want to do is we actually need to go ahead and create a filter. So what we want to do here is we want to come inside of here. We're going to scroll on down and we're going to skip sites with the following words in the URL, or skip sites where the following words appear, okay? So we want to skip sites with the following words in the URL. So skip sites, create a domain filter, and must-have filter. So we're creating not a skip filter, but a must-have filter. So the must-have filter is quite simple. What we're looking for is and then we're going to take a look inside of here, .edu, okay? And then we're going to scroll on down, looking for .gov, .guru, no, .gov. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 H, I, J, A, K, L, M, N, O, P. They don't do .gov. Wait, isn't there a .gov filter? That's okay. You can make your own filter. Okay, so what we need to do here is then we're going to go Add, okay? And then you just got to follow this. D, and then here, move this over. D, :, exclamation, .gov, and then click OK. What type of path? What type of filter? All domain, path domain. Okay, so as you can see here, we have now created, we're going to skip sites with the following words in the domain, but we're not skipping these sites. This is a URL path must-have filter. Okay, so you're going to check this box, and what you're going to do is you're going to add a string that looks like this: D : exclamation .gov, D : exclamation .gov. All right, so you probably need to go in here and edit this one, okay, because it does it by itself. All right, because I was just following it. I did not see it in the list. It must be in the list or it wouldn't have added it. All right, but that's how you're going to go ahead and build only .gov and only .edu links. Now, as a side note, I want to point this out to you. When we're looking at other country extensions, okay, they're not just .edu or just .gov, all right? There is .edu.uk. There is .edu whatever other country. So if you want a big master list, as a helpful hint, as a tip, if you really want to maximize your results with .gov and .edu, take a look at other .edu and other .gov sites that are from other countries. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have questions related to GSA, GSA SER, or how to build automated backlinks, please feel free to go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next GSA SER, how to build .gov and .edu backlinks video. I'll see you in the next one. All right.